Hello, techies. Alright, so we are in lab 5.11.10 and we're going to secure access to a switch. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to increase the security on the switch in the networking closet by restricting access to management and by updating the switch firmware. So in this lab, your task is to create an access profile named management access and configure it with the following settings. Alright, so the details are provided in this table. We're also going to add a profile rule to the management access profile with the following details in this table. So let's just go ahead and start up lab. Now, in case you find this video to be too fast, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this video, and you will surely get this lab right. So we'll just wait for this to load. Alright, so this is done loading, and then let's go straight to security. Let's expand security, and we are going to expand management access method and click on access profiles. Now, while you're in access profiles, you're going to click on add, and we're going to add a profile name. So we have the details provided here in the table already. So the profile name is going to be management access. So let's just copy and paste. And for the rule priority is going to be 1, and then action, we're going to deny this, and we're going to click on apply and enable. Okay, so let's go to profile rules and click on management, check management access, then click on add. Then for this priority, rule priority is going to be 2, and management method is going to be HTTP, and user, this is going to be defined. IP address, let's see, let's scroll down, let's scroll down. So this is going to be 192.168.0.10. So I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. Okay, so let's copy the subnet also and paste the mask here. So click on apply, then close this. So we go to access profiles and we change this to management access, and we're going to apply this. Click OK, and then we'll go ahead and save this. Alright, so this is saved. So let's just go ahead and click on apply. We'll click on OK. So wait for this to process the data. Alright, so that is done. We're going to click on done, and let's go to getting started, and we click upgrade device software. Choose file, and let's go to this computer and scroll down to System C. Open System C and S300 firm. Open this and we select S300 FW. Okay, so this is selected, and we'll click apply, click OK. So we'll just wait for this to process the data. Alright, so it's done. So we click done, and let's go to the reboot. So we click on reboot, click OK. So wait for this to process the data. Alright, so this is done. We'll go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video to be helpful in any way, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below your question if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.